How to get gems in Widgetable. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can get the gems in Widgetable app. So for that you need to install the latest version of Widgetable app on your phone. First of all, just go on the Widgetable on the top search bar and install and update it. After that you will see an interface like this. Opening it to add some gems, what you can simply do is you can simply go on the shop, and while shopping you will need some gems. Now you will see the option of diamonds right here, and there is written the hot and paw and plants as well. You can get any of it for free as well when it's written here free. But to get the gems, what you can do is you need to pay for there. Just tap on it. You need to add your debit or credit card, and then you need to pay for the gems if you want to get it. So that's how you can get the gems. But if it is written free, then you can simply get it free for by just watching the ad. Or you can also get it if you have a pro subscription on Widgetable as well. So that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.